a better quality of education, and also I want to expect getting to know different cultures, meeting different people, and see the experience of other countries, and to bring these things in our own country.
This program is not only a great opportunity for the student and for the resident of Afghanistan, but it has effect and impact on the relationship of two countries. It can be a good opportunity for Kazakhstan and Afghanistan to get closer to each other.
Sure that if I graduate from this university or any other universities in Kazakhstan, I will be someone who will have the ability to work in everywhere.
I really wanted to be an entrepreneurial person in my own country and make some jobs for the same women who want to be freedom and stand on their own feet.